Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to exactly use the remix feature on Instagram step by step, so let's get started. But first, to test things out, we need to open a random theme page. Let's open Instagram, for example, and here we're gonna go one of Instagram's reels. Let's choose this for example. Here in the upper right corner there's 3 dots. Let's press that. And here we're gonna press remix. Here you have two choices. You can remix the video with original video or after original video. After original video basically means your content will come after the original video. Here we're gonna choose after original video, for example. Here you have a preview of the reel you chosen. Hit next. Here you have many options to adjust. You have the filter option, edit clip option, speed option, timer option, and you can use dual camera if you want to, but I don't recommend using it. Anyways, in the upper right corner you can set your camera settings if you want to. Let's go back. And the last step we're gonna do is setting up remix or disabling remix if you want to for your reels, feed videos and photos. So let's go back, hit the 3 dots, go to settings, let's type in remix, go to reels and remix, and here you can turn off remix if you want to for privacy reasons. And yeah, that's how easy it is to use remix on Instagram 2023. Thanks you guys for watching, I hope it helps. See you next time.